everybody, this is Sarah at the Catholic Homemaker. Today I am showing you my last video in my Healthy Kitchen series, and I will be showing you my healthy ingredients, food that I have in my freezer. So let's take a look. Alright, so on the top we have bone broth cubes. That's my system of the way we store bone broth, and I have a video on that. And it's just really the most convenient thing for me because I like to use a cube here and there for adding into the meals that I'm cooking, whether it's vegetables or cooking it with our rice or grains or beans. And it's just much faster than just dehydrating, than defrosting a whole jar of bone broth. So that's what I like to do. Here we have egg whites, and that's just because sometimes I like to throw egg yolks into our smoothies or make mayonnaise with it, and so you're left over with a bunch of egg whites. So I usually try to look for a recipe. I know there's a good angel food cake out there that I like to make every once in a while with the excess egg whites. Here's some British black pudding I used from Sally Fallon's Nourishing Diets book. It's not a cookbook, but I was trying to have blood in my diet because of the benefits of it. I don't really like it very much, but I really liked the blood pancakes that I made from that. You'll have seen my chicken blood if you watched my deep freezer video. This is leftover chicken wing marinade from a recipe from Korean Paleo. That's it on the top there. So on the bottom, I have all my flours here, and I have organic unbleached white flour, which I actually don't use very much, but we were having my daughter's baptism, and so my family got some flour for making the quiche or whatever. Then there's cassava flour from Bob's Red Mill. I made my own brown rice flour that I soaked the grains before and dehydrated them, and then I just ground it into flour. I think this is organic buckwheat flour. Yep. I think I'll use at least that in the blood pancakes to get rid of, to use up all of that chicken blood. Here I have some strawberries from the farmer, blackberries. I have pumpkin puree. Asian pears that I cut up for different recipes. Tapioca flour. These are blueberries from the farmer. More blueberries. And these are arepas that I made. And I hope to come out with a video for you guys so that you know how to make organic arepas, because the commercial flour out there, you can't get it non-GMO or organic to my knowledge. This is, I think, homemade einkorn flour. Same with right here. I sprout it. These are sofrito cubes that you can use in meals. This is my breast milk here. And then on this side is more of the meat and leftovers and bones. These are anchovies I got for my daughter to snack on. She really loves to snack on them. And we use it in different recipes too. Spaghetti squash casserole I made. Some lentils I made recently. These are more bone broth cubes. Some coconut milk that I froze. I didn't use all of it. Tomato sauce, tomato paste there. These are some more British black pudding that I just got to heat up. These are some bone marrow bones. We ate the bone marrow, but I got to make it into broth now. That's grass-fed beef. There's head cheese. And so I just have a little bit of that left. More lentils here. And then this is pasture-raised chicken livers there. So that's all that I have in my freezer. Normally I have it more full than that, but I've really been trying to eat down our stores so that nothing goes bad. And yeah, I'm just trying not to waste any food. That's one of the principles that I have. I hope you guys have found this video and the rest of the series to be inspiring. I try to buy the healthiest ingredients I possibly can, organic foods and pasture-raised meats and dairy. The number one priority I always have is the fats. So if that's all you can afford, just buy the healthiest fats you can. I have a video on what is healthy and what is not, so I'll link to that below. Then the next priority would be meats and dairy. But then after that would come your produce and other foods to buy organic and local. So just do what your budget allows you to do, and I hope you found this to be helpful and inspiring to make small changes in your life. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. You'll know when I post. Until next time, bye!